Hi, today I want to talk about the sleepera.com. So apparently this is a website where you can get paid $100 to sleep. So it's about 19 to $32 per hour of sleep. You can choose how long you want to sleep. It's remote and it's available worldwide. So this seems like a dream job. You sleep and then you get paid. And they say you do this because you test a variety of sleeping products such as headphones, pillow, mattresses, and others while you sleep. So, and it's very compelling because it's $1,000 to $5,000 per month just to sleep. And even though these kind of work do exist in real life, there are professional sleepers. It's not a apply and then you're in kind of job. It's a very select individual. It's a dream job, but this website, it looks like a legit site, but it's very sketchy. If we look at the scam minder here, it only has a 27 out of a 100 trust score. So my rule of thumb is if it's too good to be true, then it probably is.